Let's shift focus into commodities. An interesting trend there. You've got a weaker dollar, which is probably fueling a rally in gold, and it's also crude that's been on the downward trend for the last few days. Vandana Bharti of SMC Global Securities joins in with her top trades. Vandana, hi, morning. Thanks for joining in. Let's start with gold because that's where there's maximum viewer interest as well. Reclaim 2,500 on gold, and it looks like it could be headed higher. Do you track gold, and if yes, what's the strategy here?
Yeah, hi, good morning. It's a very interesting day, and we have seen overnight rally in Wall Street. Because of that, we have seen some kind of pause in gold and silver today initially. But yes, simultaneously, we have an announcement or indications that September we can expect a 50 basis rate point, 50 basis cuts in interest rate. Because of that, we have seen rally in gold and silver both. But yes, clearly, silver is outperforming gold. It is gold is nearly trading $2,500, and we can expect further buying in this commodity. I'm waiting for a correction in this counter, and if it comes near 71,450, I'm a buyer in gold for the target of 72,000 with the stop loss of here 71,250, and silver is clearly a good buy, and even positionally we can go for buy. So in this commodity, one should go for buy near the level of 84,400 for the target of 85,000 with a strict stop loss of where 84,150. So silver is a clear buy, and for gold we should wait for some correction before jumping into buy.
Okay, silver's a buy, wait for a correction in gold. But Vandana, how are you reading things when it comes to crude oil at the moment?
Yeah, there is positive development between Israel and Gaza, and some development in ceasefire. Because of that, we have seen some correction in the prices, and WTI is expected to come below the level of $72. So Indian MCX crude will mirror the trend, and hence I'm giving a sell call in this commodity as well. So one should go for sell near the level of 6150 for the target of 6100 here with a stop loss of 6170. Positionally, I am expecting that this commodity should touch the level of 6050, in this week.
Right. Vandana, any other base metals that you're trading right now? Because we've also seen a big move on copper. I believe the LME copper prices have jumped up to a 3-month high yesterday.
Yes, but today we have seen a pause because market was expecting that there should be a rate cut in Chinese loan bank rate. But yes, it was unchanged, and initially we have seen some kind of correction in this commodity. But sooner or later we can see the rally should continue here. So in copper, we should still go for buy near the level of 805 for the target of 815 with a stop loss of 801, and additionally, even zinc is looking very good. So even in this commodity, I'm a buyer for this commodity for the target of here 268 with a stop loss of here 261. So we can expect some good news from US, and all commodities player, they are eyeing on Powell Speech. And before that, we can see some kind of wait and watch strategy in lead and aluminum. But yes, copper and zinc, they are clear buy.
All right, so that's as far as base metals concerned. Vandana, anything else that's on your radar this morning beyond base metals, precious metals, as well as perhaps we can actually take a look at what you're making of the Indian rupee to the US dollar as well. How are you reading that?
Dollar index is moving up, and we can see some kind of pressure on Indian rupee, and it should move towards the level of 83.98, 83.95. But we have some relief on crude oil counter, and it is going to be the month end when we should pay the import bill. So yes, the depreciation should be on limited side, and it should be kept near the level of 84.05. But clearly here dollar index is moving up, and any statement of Powell, positive statement, can bring some buying in dollar index. So we can be on wait and watch strategy in INR. Apart from currency, I am a buyer in natural gas, because in natural gas, US has announced that they are going to cut the production to balance the demand and supply situations. So in this commodity, we can go for buy near the level of 187 for the target of where 195, that is stop loss of 181. So clearly, this commodity should make a base near the level of 190 to 200.
All right, there you have it. That's the view coming in on natural gas as well. But Vandana, thank you so much for joining us and taking us through your views on those crucial commodities. With that, it's a wrap in this edition of the F&O Show. Lots more lined up on the other side. We have the small and the mid-cap show coming up next. Keep watching NDTV.